Last week saw Talegaon MLA Babush Montserrat issue yet another threat to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to desist from arresting his supporters for their involvement in vandalizing IT Habitat and also assaulting Youth Congress members. Mr. Montserrat also accused IT Minister Dayanand Narvekar for pocketing crores of rupees in the name of IT Habitat land deals and termed the white paper on IT Habitat as a black deed of the IT Minister. But to counter Babush Montserrat from going too far, Chief Minister sent a clear message to him by suspending one of Talegaon strongmen's staunch lieutenant, Police Inspector Serafin Dias. And as Chief Minister Digambar Kamath announced his government's decision to scrap all the SEZs in the state, trouble started brewing up among the ministers favouring SEZs. To counter their moves, Chief Minister, using his clout at the centre, got the Speaker Pratap Singh Rane to restore the voting rights of MJP MLAs and lone Congress lady MLA. At the same time, left the sword dangling over them by refusing to allow the disqualification petitions to be withdrawn. Amidst all the political permutation and combination that affects our daily lives, some of our brethren keep the spirit of Goa alive. Goa Cultural and Social Centre, in collaboration with Kala Academy, organized its 41st Manda Festival at Panjim and Margao. In all, 37 groups participated in the festival. That's all we have in Goa this week. Before we resume with more news, we'll take a short commercial break.
Welcome back. Vivekananda Environmental Awareness Brigade, in collaboration with Directorate of Museum, organized exhibition on Sattari Darshan held at Goa State Museum, Panjim. Non-profit organization based at Keri, Sattari Taluka, which is committed towards environment, education and wild conservation, exhibited their pictures and traditional items. Pankaj Lad and Arnold Norona, photographer and member of organization, took the initiative to showcase culture and traditions of Sattari Taluka. Speaking to Goa 365, Vivekananda Environmental Awareness Brigade founder Rajendra Kerkar said their focus is to create awareness of Sattari Taluka.
The purpose behind organizing this exhibition was to generate the awareness regarding Sattari Taluka, history of Sattari Taluka, cultural heritage of this Taluka, and that is why focus has been given in order to make the people aware about the natural heritage of Sattari. Sattari Taluka is the Taluka which has the highest forest cover in the North Goa, and this is the Taluka which actually comes in the Sahyadri, lush green Taluka. Our focus is on biodiversity. We have given more stress on biodiversity, the elements of reptiles, you can see amphibian, then fishes, then you can see birds. All this heritage have been documented.
We also have Mando for you. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Parliamentary Standing Committee want more powers to CBI. Ud Goinkara lock Ponda Sub-Registrar in their crosshair. Exhibition held to showcase traditions and cultures of Sattari Taluka. That's all in today's bulletin. If you have a story that needs to be told or an issue that needs to be highlighted, email us at goa365@rediffmail.com or call us on 3290335. Until then,